Hello, welcome to the Pendulum Instruments YouTube channel. The CNT-104S and CNT-102 are highly versatile, multi-channel frequency analyzers, which are suitable for a wide range of frequency and time-related measurements. In certain measurement situations, you may need to apply simple mathematical functions to the test results in order to obtain the required values. Typical examples include using a frequency measurement in Hertz to derive the revolutions per minute, RPM, of a rotational device, or measuring an oscillator's frequency offset where the result needs to be expressed in a ratio, such as parts per million, ppm, or parts per billion, ppb. This video demonstrates how simple arithmetic formulas can be configured on the CNT-100 series to obtain the necessary results automatically. Decide which measurement function you want to use and pre-configure the instrument. For example, in order to measure rotation speed, you may elect to use the frequency function, which normally displays the results in Hertz. Determine the conversion type you want to apply to the measurement results. This can be configured in the math limit settings. In all the available formulas, x represents the measured value in the original units, while k, l, and m are constants that can be assigned any number. For converting Hertz to RPM, a multiplication factor of 60 is required. This corresponds to the first formula, with k equal to 60 and l equal to 0. Let's set k value to 60 and keep the default 0 value for l. As an option, you can also specify the type of measurement unit for the converted results. By default, the instrument automatically determines the best measurement unit based on the selected formula, but you can always redefine it if necessary. Now, the instrument automatically applies the selected formula to the measurement and displays the status using a math indicator at the bottom. The test results are now displayed in RPM units. Let's consider a more complex application, such as measuring an oscillator's frequency. It is often necessary or more practical to present accuracy as a fractional frequency offset, which is an offset from oscillator's nominal frequency divided by its nominal frequency. The last formula in the list is intended specifically for such a test use case and features automatic selection of measurement units for the calculated ratio. We can now configure the desired constants for the formula. The instrument now automatically determines the best measurement unit, and the fractional frequency offset is presented in ppb. As you have noted, it is very fast and easy to configure the CNT-100 series frequency analyzer to perform simple conversions of results, which will save you a lot of time. The instrument allows you to apply scaling, inversion, and offset functions to the measurement results. Additionally, it is possible to specify user-defined measurement units for the converted values. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.